Hi, welcome back. We are doing Big Ideas Math. We're doing section 3.2, the exercises, and this time we're writing expressions. They want to know what is different. 12 more than x. So we can say 12 plus x or x plus 12. When we see the word increased, let's see if I can move this. When we see the word increased, x is increased by 12. It's the same thing as saying 12 more. I'm going to increase your salary by $12 a week. Or I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you $12 more each week. Either way, you're getting $12 more. X take away 12. Oh no, you didn't do the chores, so I'm going to take away $12 a week. And then the last one says the sum of x and 12. Well, we know that the sum means an addition problem. It's the answer to an addition problem. So x plus 12 would be the same as x increased by 12 or 12 more than x. So the one that's different is x take away 12. So when we're using this and they're wanting to know how you would write these two expressions, well, you would write x plus 12 or x minus 12 for the one that was actually different. All right, so the next question says you pay 0.25 or 25 cents P for each photo, dollars to print P photos. So what does the coefficient represent? So your coefficient is the number that's next to your variable, and you're talking about the 25 or the 0.25 or the 25 cents. When we're looking at our coefficient, what we're saying is that P represents the number of pictures. So if I have one picture, it's going to be 25 cents. If I have two pictures, it's going to be 50, three pictures, 75, four pictures, $1, and so on. So I would just multiply this by the number of pictures. So when we're looking for our answer choice in this, we're looking for the coefficient. If you look right here, the coefficient represents. So we're looking for something that says cost. Here's the two that cost. This one says that each photo costs $25. This one says each photo costs 25 cents. So we're looking for something that costs 25 cents, even though it has the word dollars in it. That's what we're looking for because it's 0.25. It's not a full dollar. Write this phrase as an expression. 5 less than 8. So we're going to write down our 8 and we're going to take away 5 from it. So it's going to be 8 minus 5. Write this phrase as an expression. The product of 3 and 12. Well, we know that product is a multiplication answer. So 3 times 12 is our expression. Can it get any easier? Write this phrase as an expression. 28 divided by 7. 28 divided by 7. Write the phrase as an expression. The total of 6 and 10, we would write it as 6 plus 10. 3 fewer than 18 would be 18 minus 3. 17 added to 15, well, we're going to put our 15 first because that's going to be the number that's getting added to, and we're going to do plus 17. 13 subtracted from a number x, again, x is going to go first, minus 13. 5 times d, 5 times d. Ta-da! And you're finished with lesson 2. Good job, guys. Hope you're having a great week. Bye. Hi, guys. And today we're talking about the commutative property. And the basic number properties are associative, commutative, and distributive. The word commutative means to move around, like a community can move around its stuff. For example, if A plus B, it will equal B plus A. So I just move the A to the back side and the B to the front side, and it's going to come out with the same answer. Or 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. Or in multiplication, it would be A times B is the same as equals B times A. So right now we're talking about the properties of addition and multiplication, and we're in exercise 3.3 in the Big Ideas Math. So if we have 1/5 plus 3/5, it's the same as 3/5 plus, what do we miss? 1/5. And 4/5 is the same as saying 4/5.